Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's learn a new recipe. On today's video, we are going to learn how to make a chicken sandwich. I have prepped my chicken with paprika, black pepper and salt. That's what I have used to marinate it, and I do not marinate it for a while. I just added the spices and put it on a pan immediately. I'm going to pan fry it for some 5 minutes on each side, 5 or 4 minutes on each side. It needs to be totally cooked because we will shred it. Our other ingredients are colored bell pepper or capsicum if you like. We have red pepper and we have onions. Yeah, we will start by cooking the onions till golden brown or till you feel like they are ready. We will proceed to add the garlic and ginger. This is ginger and we will do garlic. My garlic is an absurd color. It's blue in color. I don't know why. I put it in a clear container that had a blue lid and that happened. So for now I just prayed that it's not harmful and continued to use the garlic as it is. So yeah, we are cooking the onions till ready. We will then add our capsicum, our red and green capsicum, together with the red pepper. As they are getting ready, we are shredding the chicken. And yeah, here is the shredded chicken. I did not do very small pieces, I did medium pieces. Yes, so we put the shredded chicken into the pan and mix it all together. I will spice it up with soy sauce. I will not add any more spices because remember I had added spices to the chicken before I cooked it. Yes, so we will let that cook for 4 to 5 minutes, and yeah, let's get ready to assemble. It's time to assemble our sandwich, and we will apply butter or blue band on the back side of the bread, the side where we are gonna place on the toaster or the sandwich maker. Yeah, we are applying that to all the slices of bread. Remember, it's the back side. It's quite messy when you flip it, but what choice do I have? So yeah, on the other side, on the front side, we are going to use regular mayonnaise. We are going to apply it on all the slices. Yeah, following up is grated mozzarella cheese. I had mine grated and then frozen, so it's quite sticky. I'm struggling to set it apart. I prefer adding mozzarella direct to the slice and before all the other ingredients because it kind of makes them stick to the bread as opposed to sliding off the mayonnaise, so it makes sense. I prefer starting with that. If I do not have mozzarella, I would just put a cheese slice at the bottom and nothing at the top. Yeah, so I am adding the chicken, fried chicken, with the other ingredients. It looks so yummy. I will add a slice of cheese on top again so that the chicken mix does not get to the bread. I feel like it makes it kind of soggy and difficult to sandwich. So I prefer lacing it with the sliced cheese. I will then apply mayonnaise on the inner part of the bread and blue band on the outer part and place them on the toaster. I will cook or bake or roast or each for 2 or 3 minutes till it becomes brown, and let's see how that goes.